Mbote nabino banso. Mpe boyeli malamu na lingala kitoko. Podcast ya malamu pona koyekola lingala na mobimba na ngonyoso. Lelo tokoyokola ba verbe ya kikuku to ba verbe ya cuisine na lingala. Ngala za molakis na bino na kombo ya JK29. Hello guys and welcome to Lingala Kitoko, the best podcast to learn Lingala in its entirety. If you want to learn Lingala in its entirety or wholly, you have chosen or you came to the right podcast. Today, we're going to learn the kitchen verbs in Lingala. The kitchen verbs in Lingala. I'm your Lingala teacher, JK29. Are you ready to learn? Let's do it. Grab your notebook and pen. Please have a seat. Vanda. Kitchen. Kikuku to cuisine. Verbs. Ba verbe ya kikuku to ba verbe ya cuisine na Lingala. The kitchen verbs in Lingala. Vous en avez le cola. We got a verb like to grate. Verb to grate, verb ko râper. To gratter quoi. Moni oza litungulu ozo gratter. To grate is mean to peel. To peel. Verbe lokola kokalinga. Kokalinga. To grill. Kokalinga. Kochandambo ya lipa likolo ya mosusu. Kochandambo ya lipa likolo ya mosusu. To layer. No, is that layer? No, you have bread, there's a layer. You put another bread on top of the one that is below. Is the layer. The kocha ndambo ya lipa likolo ya mosusu. Niveau. Eza na makuizito na kikuku tango zo lamba oda niveau ya mai. Level. No. Kitchen verbs, when you're cooking, you have to use your level. To measure water. Tuzana verbe lokola kokomisa mai, kokomisa bilo mai. To melt, kokomisa mai. Kodiota toko fina, to pinch. Diota zomunga ndambo boga likolo, to sprinkle, kuboga likolo. Kodiota zondambo munga na misapi, that is to pinch. Zondambo kodiota ko fina to pinch. I do think he pinch me. Ko sopa mai na madeso. Pour some water onto the beans that are in the pot. You're cooking, then your mom or also we're going to ask you, we're going to tell you, please pour some water in that pot. Ko sopa. Pona ko bwaka to ko sangise sika moko. Verbe oyo. To scramble. Elakisi. Pona ko bwaka to ko sangisa esika moko. That is to scramble. Ko servi to ko salela. To serve. Ko servi to ko salela. Ko toka na moto. Ko tokisa. To simmer. To simmer. Ko tokisa. To ko toka na moto. I'm simmering. Not tokisa. I'm simmering. Not tokisa. Eteni alipa, slice. Slice of bread, eteni alipa. Eteni, slice, eteni. Slice of bread, eteni alipa. Kopanza. Panza. Misuni na pondu. Spread the meat in the cassava leaves, pondu. Panza wana pondu. Spread it in the cassava leaves. To spread, that is kopanza. To stir is a koningisa. Moninga is a tango kaninga. Tamsano to lingsa kikalumo. You see the way when you are frying fish in the saucepan, you are stirring. Ozo ningisa. Komeka. Meka lang ano so mga koki. Can you please taste to see if the salt is enough? To taste is komeka. Taste komeka. And also to test. There's text or the message and test, that is komeka, and taste komeka. Kobagisa. Bagisa de kopo naloso. Bagisa de kopo yamai naloso. Add 2 cups of water on it. Add 2 cups of water in the rice. You're cooking. Your sister said, add, Josh, can you please add 2 cups of water? To blend is a kosangisa. To blend the machine. Kosangisa, that should blend. Kotumba, to bake. Kotumba. To bake is a kotumba. To mix is a kosangisa toko mixe. Mixe lenga baby swana. Please mix the spices for me. To boil, kotokisa. I'm boiling water. Not tokisa mai. I'm boiling water. Not tokisa mai. Bread, lipa. Breads, mapa. Broil. Broil is that? What is broil? Broil. B-R-O-I-L, boil. It is to cook by direct, radiant heat. Koita. Bien. This meat has been broiled enough. The way it has been broiled. Magnificent. To broil. To cook, broil. Not boil. There's boil and broil. Broil is to cook by direct, radiant heat. Koyita aningala. Kokata. Kata mikemke. Cut it into pieces. To cut, that's kokata. Chop. Kokata kata. Chop it up. Kata mo. Katata. To chop. To cut, that is kokata. To chop is kokata kata. Dip your dough in mayo. Zindisa mikate nayo na mayonnaise. To dip, that is kozindisa. To fry, kokalinga. Who fried the eggs? Nala kalingi maki. To grind, kotuta. That's to grind. I'm grinding some spices. I'm grinding tomatoes. Now tuta by piece, now tuta tomato. Yo, that's it. You have learned once again some kitchen verbs in Lingala. Don't forget to follow us up, to like, comment, and share with others. Oyo kode sikawa lisusu ba verb ya kikuku to ya cuisine na Lingala. Ko bosala te, ko aimer, ko partager, pe ko s'abonner. I will see you next time.